Okay. You can refund the points easy. Don't worry. No, so what I actually want to do is we're not going to really have channel points be powering the actual thing. Channel points will be like worth 1 point, and you'll use your Tej coins to actually do the effects. So like we're gonna make a Tej coin. So because like channel points can't account for things like, okay, when someone gifts subs, they're gonna get Tej coins, right? More awesome. Extra. How sustainable is streaming for you currently? Can you live with what you already get, or is it a gamble that makes you tap into savings? It's like somewhere in between there right now. It's going well though. It's honestly, I don't really, I don't even want to say. It's like it's going well, chat. It's going how I was hoping it would go, maybe even better. Okay, so it's like we're on a good path. How do you buy Tej coin? Well, you'll be able to buy it with channel points, but they will be like pretty expensive. And then we'll do some, I think you legally have to fix this because if you redeem, has only 99.9, which is maybe considered game. I don't think that that's how it works. I'll fix it so that it should always work basically, but I don't think there's any spot there. So basically like certain actions will net you new Tej coins, right? And then Tej coins can be used. The utility of the coin is that you can do funny stuff to the setup, right? There's no trading Tej coins. There's no proof of Tej, exactly. Well, we do have proof of work because channel points are effectively proof of work, or maybe they're proof of stake. I guess I don't know which one you would say they're more like. Probably proof of work. You have to watch to get them, right? So that's proof of work. A novel blockchain technology. Achievements that reward coins. Yeah, well, the stuff like that, yeah. We're not going to add gambling. There's no trading and there's no gambling. You cannot get it. Chatters cannot trade Tej coins. That is how we get in trouble, chat, okay? That is how we get in big trouble, especially with a name like Tej coin, okay? The name Tej coin is a joke. We want gambling. Trade. Can't stop me from selling my account with 100 Tej coin. Actually, that's illegal on Twitch TOS, so they would ban the account. So I can stop you. I have 1K Tej coins to sell for $10. Yes, but a lot of them are not converting the channel points into something else, Shrimp. You have to be very careful. You have to be very, very careful. Like, unironically, I am going to err much more on the side of safety, at least for quite a while. Right? Of not accidentally... Like, guys, if I lose... If I get banned on Twitch, I'm in trouble. Like, it's my job. We can't just lose Twitch or get demonetized on Twitch. Just stream on Facebook. True, good point. Good point. You've got a point. Okay. All right, we'll add gambling. What if, hear me out. Tej coin was your job. Okay, Muscles. Now we could be getting somewhere. So anyways, so that's sort of what I want to do. So basically you'll be able to pick from the rewards. Can you get banned if your chatters make it for you though? Probably yes. The channel rewards will all be worth basically like 1 channel point, right? So it only costs 1 channel point to like execute your command, right? But you can turn channel points into Tej coins. So it'll be like, 10,000 channel points is 1 Tej coin or something like this. Those are very bad activities. Yes. So anyways, so it's like full-time YouTube streamer, right? Exactly. YouTube chat is just begging me to turn this into a real crypto coin and get banned off Twitch. They're just begging for that to happen. Did my stream reset? I guess it completely reset earlier. That's the thing. You're exactly. If I teach box and open teach box, and maybe you can teach me. No, there will be no teach boxes. No teach boxes. Not happening. Okay, so what we actually need to do is we need to say that this is some list of lost and gained. Because we need to be able to handle all of the differences here. I'm going to be kind of, I'm just going to solve it. Even though this is stupid, I'm just going to solve it just because I know chat's going to complain. I feel like this could have a simpler solution. What could have a simpler solution? Are you tracking that to account for swapping back and forth? That's what we're going to do, yeah. Teach about the rug pull. Exactly, SR. The focus thing? Well, what should we do? I don't know what else to do for it. Basically now it is actually, it is actually simpler because we can do this. We can go to focused and we can go focus elapsed is 0, right? And we can go for oops. If not focus pair dot gained, then end break. Unfocused is true. So now we can do if unfocused, then, or maybe we should just say this is like focused. This is maybe easier. Is focused. Can we update start time to the future if we're not focused? Basically freeze time. It's a little bit weird though, because then I have to update all these other places with Vim loop now, and I think this one should work a little bit simpler. So let's check this out and then see if we're. If is focused, then we just do the normal one. And we have to add focus elapsed plus this. Okay, right? This puts us into the future now. Else, self-remaining, or self.ops.timeout. Okay. So then we can redo all, we don't need any of this. And then we can go focus elapsed is focus elapsed, focus pair. And just for, I know that I don't need those parentheses, but it's just nice to sort of, that's the delta, right? And then this is false. I think this way is pretty, this way is pretty easy. That way should hopefully work. I don't know. We'll try it out. So we'll just do random color scheme. It shouldn't, oh, it is counting down. Oh, that's a shame. Random color scheme, because I wasn't inside of here at the beginning. What was the error here? Attempt to index a nil value, 14. Oops, on task, 14. If focus is 0, then Okay, so it's a little bit weird when I start and I'm not focused. But we're just gonna leave that one for now. 2, 1. Yeah, that works good. Okay. So we put carrot here. We go to here. Okay, and we go back to here to just start counting down again. Nice. That's pretty good, actually. That's pretty good. It's not so. Chat, send a few, so you can send a few more. I think that was because 2 of them started at the same time. We're just gonna pretend that one didn't happen. Okay, we'll just pretend that one didn't happen. All right, we'll handle that about later. Okay, just ignore the race conditions. Okay, just ignore them. Just ignore the race conditions. All right, so we put this over here. Just fine. Put it back. Okay, nice. I'll send one as well. Random color scheme. Okay, nice. I go to here, and then hopefully this next one just goes fine. Nice. Nice. I think it's good. I think it's good, chat. Honestly, I think it's pretty good. I control Teach with Elixir. In a way, you kind of are. Okay, what is a race condition? It's when 2 things happen kind of at the same time or in parallel, and the result is unknown. Basically, it depends on the ordering that it's processed, so it's not fixed. Like what should happen is like I make sure one can only happen at a time, and they both happen separately. Race conditions basically. Dang, that's actually a good point. Choose to use any language other than Zig for anything until I complete my port of QuantLib. Good luck, Merlin. It'll need a queue. It already has a queue, but likely what happened is just something got scuffed when I like read 2 messages at the same time or something like that. I don't know. It should. I'm not really worried about it. I'm not gonna try and fix that right now. DAP. Dang. It just deleted my paragraph. Okay, so that actually works pretty good now. And I'm also going to delete some of these other rewards that we don't need anymore. We don't need the test reward, and we don't need test with a prompt anymore. Sorry. Yeah, I use Awesome WM. Okay, so now, chat. Just wanted to test. I know, but now I don't want people to lose all their points on accident, thinking things are gonna happen. I can't believe this is actually working so well. Oh, right. We wanted to do, this is also really funny. Just works. Hodling my teach points. Smart. Ecto-enums. Field. Status. Or stored as integers. Therefore, they can use migrations. So if I do this, I can add to this enum anytime I want, right? Have you seen the tools where you can observe the running Elixir code and its data? I haven't really looked at anything for... Like, so I can just do... Because these are basically just strings. Right? I don't even know if I need this. Do I even need this? It's probably good. I'm saying in the database. Sorry. Yeah, sorry, Lithium. I meant in the database. Yes, they are atoms right now. But they're stored as strings. So I was saying, like... There's nothing in the migration that says any of these things happen to happen, right? So then it's very easy for me to just say, okay, well, I want to add, you know, another enum to this. Then it's there, right? Because this is in my schema. This is not in my migration. What up, Void? Sometimes use it like this, and sometimes also make the... Yeah, right. If I wasn't using SQLite, we could use like Postgres enums or something like this, right? But I don't know that SQLite even has enums. But so, because what I wanted to do for this is when we have channel rewards, I was thinking I should add a like an ID or something, not a status. I don't know what I would call it. Message or like a type or something like this. Right? And then that type would sort of like uniquely identify these so that I don't do pattern matching on the title. Right? Yeah, I am using Starship, I'm pretty sure. Because that would be the smart thing to do here. Because I'm not going to write this reward ID over and over and over. And that can change. Right? If I need to delete one or restart whatever, right? Then I would need to change. So... Because then what I could do is if I go to channel reward here, we can go to some, like Shirai. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like that's a pretty reasonable move, right? What's the normal, what would I call this? Kind probably is a good idea. Right, I would call this like kind probably is a good name. And then I can take, this is in my schema. So then I would say ecto.enum. Right, and so then I could say key. That's probably better, key. Yeah. And then, so then we could do something like, oh, that is kind of weird. Why do I even have these in the database? I guess it's just to persist them. Maybe I just make it a string. Because weird that then I write all of them here, right? Like maybe I should just make them a string. Right, and then inside of and then I go back to like where I was creating them, create rewards. You can make them a module attributes. I'm not sure. I don't know that. I definitely don't understand. I know that I don't understand. Right, because then I can have key here and we could pick something like pick color scheme. Then accessible to function so you can always know all the allowed keys. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay, I'll think about it. For now, I'm just going to go like this. I think I'm just going to go like this. Right? All lowercase kebabs. I'll just remember. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is probably fine. What's the easiest way to remove a kebabs? Like map remove. Enum.remove. How do I just pop this out? Keyword.pop. But these aren't keywords. This is like a map, right? I need to read all of these again. Map set. Map dot delete. This just returns a new map, right? Are maps immutable or no? I want to not pass the key to here. Right, so I can do map delete key like this, right? Or key. I still can't tell. Oh, if it's this way, it's atoms. If it's this way, then it's strings. Okay. So then this doesn't matter. I can just delete key from here and then we're good. So we can create the new reward. And then we have new reward here. We're going to put in a new one for params. Okay, nice. Okay, so now we have this. What I can do then, I need to go delete my two, I need to delete this one and delete this one. Okay, so delete those. So now we go back and I can mix ecto migrate down. What did I call it? Rollback N1. So we just roll back one. And then I go to where we created migration. We're here, and this is actually add key string. This is like within the same module. Field ecto enum language. Yeah, I'll check this out. Languages list. Oh, language.list. Oh, so this is some other thing here. Oh, that's cool. I gotcha. Nice. So this is like, I can actually define this somewhere else. Okay, cool. Put Elixir in the stream tag. That's probably a good idea. Probably should put Elixir in the stream tag. Elixir. Add tag. Boom. It's a good point. Okay, so now when I mix ecto.migrate, feel like a different language every time I check the stream. That does happen sometimes. Mix create rewards. Let's see if we did this right. Nice. We created 2 new channel rewards. Random color scheme. Pick a color scheme. Nice. I don't know why I have so many spaces here. We go here and we select these and we have keys with nothing in them. We have keys with nothing in them. Okay. Questionable. Working in small startups, Mern, Stack, Dev. I want to contribute, so know what to do. Can you give a tip? Why do you want to contribute to open source? I use Kickstart, but it worked. But on Linux, I failed to clone the LazyGits. What? That seems weird. Do you have something there already, Conventional Underking? Loving the functional arc in the streams. I like functional langs. So does this actually deletes the entry in map? Did I lose this map or something? I know. I didn't do it. I know what I didn't do. I didn't put it in here. I didn't put it in here, chat. Because I manually edited this. But I knew what to do. I knew what to do. Delete my 2 old ones. And then now I can delete from channel rewards. No, it's just an empty directory and like you have Git and everything installed. I don't know. It's pretty weird. You can make an issue on the repo. It's pretty hard to debug in Twitch chat for it. One Shot Gecko. Hey, thanks. Thanks for the tier 1. Appreciate it. Removes that key from the map and new map is returned. Okay. Yeah. It was just that I didn't do my change set correctly. But now we've got this pick color scheme, random color scheme. Very cool. So now, chat, where we had a random color scheme, which is this is definitely the dumbest way that we could do this, right? In my company, we build websites for small user base. I want to get to know about big code base and how other writing code and for my next job hunt. Well, what projects do you use at your work that are big code bases? Maybe you should look at some of those to see if there's any good issues to contribute to. Yeah, we are interacting with SQLite. Elixir! Let's go. You're using in memory? No, we're saving it. So then I'm thinking, okay, what we should do instead is we should probably try and get this from the database here. Because that would be better, right? Yeah, okay, so find some projects that are related to what you work on and then see if any of those need help with anything. It's pretty impossible for me to tell you how to start doing open source. Like, I don't know what you like doing or what your skill level or what's motivating you or, you know, like, it's just not a very good question to ask. Okay, so what we should do instead of this here, chat, is we should change this, I think, to actually read a reward back from the database. So I should be able to do reward redemption X here. I can do this, right? And then what we can have here is we instead should have something like reward ID is event reward ID. What I want to do now is do import ecto.query alias mixery repo, right? And we can do like repo dot one from something like this. And then we could change this to be reward is reward. And then we can go here. How do I say what the type of something is? Like, is there a way to type in what reward should be? That it's an optional channel reward? We should put reward ID here though, either way. There probably is some way that I can say it. No, you can add spec. Cool. Mixery.reward.t. Very cool. How do I make it optional? Get fetches a single string from data source. The primary key matches the given ID. Ooh, nice. Get mixery here. Reward ID like this. Cool. Very nice. Or nil. Okay. Beautiful. Nice. But it's basically just for docs. Yeah, that's fine. I like docs, and I like when this knows that it could be nil. Oh, sweet. Thanks, honey. What? I'll take that letter. It's good. Thanks, honey. Hi, puppy. You're just here to... Oh, my goodness. Come here. Come here. Wait. Okay. Oh, man. Wait. Give me a kiss. No, give me a good one. Good girl, wait. Gentle. Good girl. Good girl, puppy. She's standing on a chair, chat. She's not actually that tall. Hi. Good girl. All right. Down. Oh, you drooled on me. No, down. She drooled on me. Man. Yeah, harness. Whoa. Oh, sorry, chat. No, Ember. Down, now. Leave it. I should have known better. I should have known better. Now she's like... She's not going to let me alone for the rest of the day. Look at my... For control V. Yeah, I'm actually just 3'9". Yeah, exactly. Man, pup, you really drooled on me? You goof. Yeah, after Ember JS. I'm thinking about how I can get Doggo Cam set up. But the main problem is she never comes and sits with me anymore. No! No. No. I gave you 2 already. Hey, thanks, Vincer. You can just type structs. I'll take that out too. For control V, what do you mean? Custom reward needs that as well. I'm missing what you're saying, Chara. Okay, checking it out. Oh, okay. I got you. Oh, I need to put the rest of these, you're saying. Like user ID and everything? Oh, no, or in-channel reward. Like here, you're saying. Dude. Ember. No, puppy. Down. Now. Good girl. Good girl. Like this, you're saying. Yeah. Right. I'm sure this is integer.t, right? Not just int. Pause integer? Oh, really? Was it right? Wow, good job, Cody. I should have trusted you. My bad. Cool. Nice. That's cool. Oh, nice. That's a nice idea. Oh, gotcha, Shirai. Nice. That's really pretty. I haven't used LSP0, no. Yeah, I know the plugin. Oh, interesting, Shirai. Nice, it seems cool. Yeah. I'd think about it. Not really like, you know, that's fine. We can come back to it later. So now, this is like, this is kind of like, we know whether we have this one or not, right? Smart. Smart, that makes sense. This is day 2. But to be fair, I have some people in chat who know what they're doing. So that definitely helps. This doesn't have like a... Is there any way to say that this returns a mixture type? Or this reward redemption? Because it seems like this should know that it's that type. You know, maybe it does. Okay. Okay, chat. I'm gonna make a mess again. Sorry. I gotta eat, okay? I gotta eat. This is Lexical. I think. Yeah. Nice, real KCW. That is a real KCW right there. Well, shouldn't it know that this doesn't exist? I think I want to do this instead. Something like this. Dang, it does feel like it just feels like sometimes the LSP should be able to figure this out. What up, Baxter? No shade, of course, anyone making the LSPs. It's just like, that's kind of a bummer. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, I did type these though. So this is the one where I wrote a type for this. I wrote a type for this. I wrote a type for each one. So like it just feels like this one I should be able to do it. Whoop. Yeah, agreed, Charai. Especially with all the work going on for, with the official types. Oh man, that was close. It seems like you would want the LSP in the same place as all that work. You know what I mean? Do you still stream full time? Still? What do you mean? I only started a month and a half ago. But yes, I am. That's why I'm eating on stream. It's not because I enjoy eating in front of other people. In fact, it's my least favorite part about stream. Right, that's what I'm saying, Shirai. Bankster? It's not mukbang, it's just eating. All right. Do I need to put JSON encoder and decoder for this, or does it automatically have it? Just anywhere? Yeah, but Kazakar, that's mostly only useful when your language has a million different ways to sort and format things. Like Rust mostly doesn't need that because it only has one way to format code. I do agree for Python, it's the right choice though. Alright. Almost done, sorry chap. Okay. I'm gonna pee. Yeah, did you guys like that? What? How is that on right now? I shouldn't be connected. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go pee. Have I told my story about how you got into streaming? Like, as in, how did I start to stream at all? Is that what you're wondering? Is this even working? Why is it connected right now? They shouldn't be connected. Oh, it's because it's not running right now. Oh, they should get connected turned off probably. They should be off now, right? Nice, now they're off. Very cool, smart. Yeah, and if I push you over that, you'll leave your job. How I got started streaming was Prime told me to. And so I did it. I saw his video on YouTube a long time ago. And then I found out that he was streaming programming stuff on Twitch. I was like, that doesn't make any sense. Who's going to watch programming on Twitch? Watched the stream, thought it was really funny. Hung out there for a while. He used to write code. He was working on some NeoVim stuff. I knew a lot of answers because I was on NeoVim core team. Eventually he put out that I was on NeoVim core team. We ended up having a few like Discord calls off stream and found out that we were kind of like friends. And we're like, oh, that's cool. Like, yeah. And then he basically said, you should start just streaming your open source stuff that you're doing. And I was like, that doesn't make any sense. No one's going to watch that. But I'll do it anyways because it sounds a little bit fun at least. And then I did, and people were watching. So that was nice. And then, yeah, I started. It was fun. Oh, and then how did I decide to quit my job? He's lying. He saw Beacon Best. I did not know of BeaconBot at the time. How did I decide to quit my job? I saw that it seemed like it would be possible to make enough money on stream. And every time I streamed, I was like, I wish I could be streaming longer. So let's just try. And so now we're trying. We're going to see if it works out. Do you enjoy not having a boss? Yeah. I mean, I liked my boss at my last job, so it wasn't such a big deal. Yeah, thanks everybody. I mean, I'm having a lot of fun so far. It's going in the right direction, so we'll just see. You never know unless you don't do it. You know what I mean, chat? Like, I'm not gonna know unless I try, so we're trying. We're gonna see what happens. All right. So now, hypothetically, I should be able to... Oh, right. So what I want to try and do, though, is when we actually get to the NeoVim... No, not here. Where was that? That was Twitch events, I guess, right? Right. So when we get an event here for channel redemption, what I want to do is not this. That's not good. What I want to do is something more like this. And then we can delete this because we were doing a lot of copy pasta here. Type T giving me OCaml. I know, I like it too. I can just pretend we're writing OCaml. You know what I mean? Do things elegant way in space to hang out. Hey, very cool, Kazakar. Glad to hear it. Maybe we'll take you back to your last job. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I'd also be... I mean, well, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll want to write Elixir full time instead. You never know. Oh, Ryan, can't I do this if reward? Do this? Something like this. Is there a way to bind? I guess this is fine here. I don't know which one I like better. I think actually let's go back to the other way because I probably should... This really shouldn't happen, I think. So we should probably logger warn. Unknown reward. We probably want to do this. Logger dot warning. Okay. My main like Python when looking at Lua. Yeah, nice, exactly. Yeah, I think even if you don't like end up sort of, I don't know how to say it, like even if you don't end up writing the language that you're learning about, it can still change the way you're thinking about things, right? Or make it easier to learn other things, which I think is useful. Learning any language you don't know will be, yeah, most of the time. Within reason. I changed the way I write Python. I now never write Python. That's funny. That's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, so now when we broadcast, this really shouldn't be, this is weird to call this NeoVim. This should be a Twitch reward, right? Where did I do NeoVim like this? Oh, I see. That's actually pretty reasonable. What if I just don't even give these a name? What if all of these topics should just be mixery? And then the message is the only thing we match on. What if Clojure to Elixir? Really feel Clojure helped me get into it. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I still like parts of Python. Do I write bash scripts often? Not super often, no. I feel like I would almost rather just match on this than a string and this. Because what am I going to do with the things knowing that things are Twitch? Make the message a struct. We could do that as well. Yeah, we could do that as well. That's not a bad idea. You'll get all messages though. And everything that subscribes to topics. Yeah. Well, but these would, oh, I was saying more like this. Like this. Like I'm going to make my own subtopic. Oh, but right, first then subscribe, I get all the messages, which is a little bit annoying. Yeah. But I was saying then I just match on the message. Yeah. I just like, is this a Twitch thing? Or is this the other thing? Or maybe this should just be under rewards. I don't know. I don't really know. I just want to match on this. So that's the part that I'm not really sure. I'm still kind of getting, you know, getting my legs under me for how I want to imagine how this would work. Every pro subscribing gets a message for the topic it's up to. Yes, right. Yeah, I know. So should I instead just call this, like, should this just be like rewards? Redemptions? Reward? Redemption? Like this? So then, but the thing I don't get then, right? Let's say I'm looking at this. Right? I'm looking at my NeoVim lobby and I say I want to subscribe to something. When I handle info for these, I just get messages, right? So I already have to just handle all the different types of messages. Right? I guess that's fine. I can subscribe to different topics and I just get different messages and the messages are all the same. Or I just handle the messages differently. Okay, so it doesn't really matter that this is called NeoVim. It's dumb for this to be called NeoVim anyways, because this is the thing that decides that things are NeoVim, right? So let's say I actually want to reward redemption. Okay, so it's like, yeah, we want to do reward redemption. Okay, that makes sense. And so then here, can't I just then send redemption? Topic names are only important for segmenting who cares about what. Topic names are only important for segmenting who cares about what. Got it. Okay, that makes more sense now. So I go to here, and then instead of having a bunch of these like this, I'll say, we'll just go something like this right here. This will be Channel reward redemption. Whoops. So I say I'll just do anything I want here. And now what I can do is I can just say socket redemption.key. Redemption.reward.key. And I'll send the redemption itself here. Right? And now I can delete all of these. I don't need these anymore. I don't have to remember to add them each time. We just make a new type of redemption. We put them here. You can directly broadcast your channel topic with PubSub Mixery broadcast Neo and Lobby. Oh, interesting. I don't know. Love from India. Oh, hey, thanks, Software Walla. Student. What tips and tricks would you do to be outstanding programmer? I use Arch Linux. Well, first off, if you're going to let people know you use Arch Linux, you must include a by the way at the end, or a BTW, as it's commonly typed on the internet. You cannot just let someone know I use Arch Linux. That makes it clear you're not actually an Arch Linux user. You're just an imposter among the Arch Linux users. So make sure if you tell me that you're an Arch Linux user, by the way. Okay, Software Walla. But secondly, I would ditch the Arch Linux, find a girlfriend, and then try and build a lot of code because you're motivated because you want to be able to provide a good life for your family. That's what I would do. That was my strategy. Got a girlfriend, got engaged, was like, I gotta get a job. Boom. You can have general listener that subscribes to users and other users join. Okay, cool. Nice one. No, but the actual advice is build a lot of stuff. That would be my advice. It doesn't matter what OS you're using, just build a lot of stuff. Okay, that's what you should do. You suck like a real person. So that's what I would do, chat. Good Tippy has gen servers listening to stuff too. Yeah, that makes sense. It can be in public, but you just need to at least be building. Build in public is overrated for a lot of people, I think. Because they end up spending just like a lot of time circling doing nothing. Right? And they're just like, let me check Twitter and see if anybody replied to my building public stuff. Okay, I mean, it's good to network and it's good for people to see your work and you should publish what you're doing. But like, don't just get sucked into this trap of like sitting in a Twitter space for 2 hours, like talking to other people who can't get you a job. Right? Like that's not gonna get you anywhere. You gotta do something else besides that. What's up, Oki? Hey, thanks for the sub. 10 months. That's crazy. Like, I mean, obviously, I'm a fan of building in public. I'm right here. You know what I mean? And like, it's changed my life a lot. But I also see a lot of people basically like just spin in circles without doing anything. But they think they're being really productive because it's in public. Okay, it's in public and you got 30 impressions. And it's just you refreshing your page. Like, that's not the same thing, you know? I just don't like seeing people get stuck in that cycle, you know? You can just at me next time. Shirai, literally, a lot of people have seen your libraries now. Because I was doing them today on stream. Sure, right. That would have been a good Keck weight opportunity right there. All right. Only build in private. Never let them know your next move. Okay, so what was I going to do, though? Okay, so here we go. So get a reward redemption. We're going to send a reward key. We're going to go here. So now what we have to go is when we're at channel, instead of... We should be getting name, payload. So now this is going to be like random color scheme. Pick color scheme. I should probably rename these files to Lua Misery Tasks. So we should change this to pick color scheme. And then this should be random color scheme. Where is random? Yep. Just so that they match exactly. It's just going to be a lot easier to find these later. Pick color scheme. Is it only me? Is there sound video delay? Try refreshing the page. That happens sometimes on Twitch. Okay. So this is at type string. This is at type. So then we know that this is always going to be a reward redemption, right? Which is mixery.reward redemption at class mixery.reward redemption at field user ID string at field user login string at field user input string at field reward is mixery dot channel reward. We don't know what that one is. That's fine. Add class mixery channel reward. That's gonna be these guys. I'll just only put the ones that I care about. How should I do this? Word. Word. We'll just say string for all these. Strings. Whoops. String. Okay. I don't let my IT guys know what base people I want. Nice. There we go. Did refresh, but need to do a cache list refresh. Nice. Okay, so now what we should have is that we get args user login, args user input. So now this should be, oh yeah, we're not even using the reward for any of these, which is fine. Okay. What are the odds this works? I feel like it's low right now. That's my guess. My guess is that it's low. Because I definitely lost track of what we were doing in the middle when I was eating. Okay, connected. That's kind of a surprise, to be honest. Random color scheme. Is it still connecting for the random color scheme? Okay, nice. This didn't work. Where cannot be cast to type ID in form here? C ID is this. Okay. So that's where are we doing that? Oh, shoot. Repo.get. This isn't right. This isn't the ID of the table. This is first. From C in here. Where reward ID equals reward ID. C.reward. Right, this isn't the ID of the table. Smart contract. We'll get smart contracts for sure, of course. All my contracts are smart. I make them. Oh, I probably need to I don't have import ecto.query as well. Repo.first is 1. Whoops, 1. The smartest contracts, exactly. Exactly, Chad. Oops. Cannot encode metadata from meta field for mixer.channel. Ah, okay. Should never be exposed using the map. The schema is to remove the meta field before encoding JSON or explicitly list the JSON fields in your schema. Only. Got it. Do you have VODs? Yeah, they go here. If you want to watch the VODs immediately after on YouTube, you can become a member of the channel. Otherwise, they show up later on the VOD channel. Yeah, no problem. Only reward ID, key, title, prompt. Those are the only ones that I really want. Reward ID, key, title, and prompt. Because then I can go here. I don't want to be able to do this. I don't want any of these right now. No, it was because I was trying to encode them. Oh, is mix by a thing? I don't know. Get by, is that, should I be doing that differently? It is unique. Yep. We are so back. We're honestly so back. We are so back. And I should be able to queue up a few more of these. Oh, baby. It feels really good, Chad. It feels really good. Oh, too slow. We finally did it. I knew we were going to get it where we had a overlap. Pink Panic, too slow. Waiting for a Western. I like the Lua config and I like the how it renders fonts. Repo get by. Okay, let's check it out. Repo get by. Does that still do 1 or no? So you're saying reward is repo.get by. So it just gets 1, right? So I can say here like this. I like this one better. I like this better if this works. Well, this can't be nil. Oh yeah. Ooh, that one's not bad. Interesting. How did we get 10 seconds to start there? Something about how it started away from there? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Not me. I don't know why that happened, but I don't care. No. I was saying, why did we get 10 seconds? Why did we get 10 seconds instead of 5 on that random color scheme? I don't know. Why is there code? Okay. Wow. Wow. So this just works? Pick color scheme? Random color scheme? So we just need to make Fog of War and Invisalign and this other stuff, right? You know what else we should do is really these should all probably take a reward redemption as their type. That would be pretty smart, actually. That would be pretty smart. So that's what we should do. We should probably do that at some point. These should all take mixery.reward redemption as their argument. So not dry. It's pretty dry right now, chat, okay? It's pretty dry, all things considered, okay? True. Cursing. I don't do it. Usually don't ban people for it, though, especially if it's part of a meme. Not enough jQuery? We will get back to some jQuery, I'm sure, at some point. Don't worry. Stroboscope effect as punishment would be cursed. We're not going to do that. We have some other ones, though, that are pretty good. Okay, so we need to add dry does suck, especially in Elixir. So we got to go to our create rewards again. And so now we can go here. Then instead of just random color scheme, we need to do, so this one would be like fog of war, adds a small, adds, makes everywhere, or makes, how can you say this? The further away from my cursor, I don't know, you say this. Should I put bubbles on theme change now or later? Should I put my bubbles? What? Shines flashlight in the darkness of code. All right, shines flashlight in the darkness of code. Okay, that one's fine. And all these should really say false to start with. False. And this one is false as well. So that's fog of war. And then this should be that as well. And then we can go to fog. We can rename that to... So that one would work. And I don't have to do anything to make this work now, right? I create this in here. That'll get passed through. But an if-else change is just implementing standard behavior. Obscure lines. I can just, well, maybe we can show you. Here, let me just try this. It's not really, oh, I see what you were suggesting what we should call it. I don't really know if obscures is the right word. Oh, I didn't create this, right. Okay, close this. So what we should be able to do is mix create rewards. This should only create a new reward for Fog of War. Beautiful. We go back to our server, we start it back up, we open up NeoVim, and we connect to NeoVim here. We should see Fog of War. We click redeem, and then we go inside here. Excellent, excellent. What just happened? Why did Fog of War trigger twice here, though? What's going wrong? Yeah, no, but it shouldn't have, let me try triggering it again, though. Okay, so something goes wrong when we, oh, I know what it is. Yep, I know what it is. So in Fog of War, if we open up Fog of War, we'll see that we, yep. We create the group right here that clears it. So when I reload it in the task here, or in channel here, I should just call this require. We should probably just do all of these should just be require, and we'll just restart NeoVim, really. It's just a bad plan. If I need to reload them, I can do it manually. Okay. Should also be covered. That one's a lot harder to do, though. That's the problem. Okay, so now when we do this and we reconnect, and then I execute this, we do this once, we start moving around. When I do this again here, it still should work just fine. Yeah, it's because it was reloading the entire file, which messed up some global state. Right, so hello, require, do. Yep, so then it flashed off and back on. Yeah, so it works great. Ooh, how do I randomly do it to my friends? We can make a plugin. We'll make a plugin for it later. Search is like wall hacks, exactly. I mean, we can turn off search if we want as well. That's totally fine. I just don't really know. It's an interesting feature. Feature is one way to put it. Oh. Well, it's happening more often than you'd think. Here, I'll do a random color scheme just for you, Gruzdak. Yeah, there you go. Slate, and then we're gonna quit after this. There you go. I get myself confused with different types of searches, but I'm dumb, so there's not. Need a command to randomly move the cursor first few steps. We have some much worse than that. Like fade instead of just disappear. Be easier to follow on stream. That sounds like a lot of writing. Hide this in LazyVim. Have it connect automatically, host it on the fly. If someone redeems a channel, it applies to everyone who installed Lazy. That's a great idea, Shirai. That is a great idea. Do we have no going back yet? Okay, let's make no going back. Oops, this is not pencilable. No going back. I think this one still works. Okay. I'll show you, chat. Don't worry, I'll show you. This is too OOP? What do you mean? This isn't OOP. This isn't OOP. Okay, so then the next thing we need to do is we need to add this. Oh, dang, default. Hey, thanks for becoming a channel supporter. No going back. No going back. Whoops. If my cursor moves backwards at all, the entire file is deleted. Okay, so we can create this reward, and then we can restart the server, and then we execute this, and then let me open up a Scratch file. No going back, right? There we go. No going back. Hello world, this is me typing. If I press backspace, it's all gone. Hello, this is me typing. If I press backspace, oops. Hello, this is me typing. If I press backspace, everything is dead. Next line. If I move up. What? Oh, okay, we got confused. Oh, it's because I had just done something. Hello? If I move up, there we go. Yep, if I move up, dead. If I move forward, but then backwards, dead. Everything we do where we go back, dead. So, yeah, we're not going to use this one normally, chat. We're not going to use this one normally. Oh, right. I don't want to actually do that. No, just in the file. Go back accidentally. Also dead. Exactly. Yes, too OP. Nerf that. Delete the file. Probably just the line. No. It's just gonna be a lot more points. It's gonna be more like, it'll be a lot of Teach coins. It's gonna be a lot of Teach coins to do. You know what I mean? It's not just gonna be 1,000 points. These are all just like, we're just testing, chat. We're just testing. Make arrow keys quit. Well, it's worse than quitting. It deletes the entire file. So when I go ahead and true, So I want to say all these are actually true here. Because then what we should do here is when we have the tracker, so we have our tracker that sends our connection. So we have NeoVim connection. Subscribing to that here is our Twitch API handler, right? So we have a reward, Mixery channel reward dot is enabled. Yes. So we can go back to here and we should have is enabled. So fog of war and no going back should both be off when we do this now. If I check this again, should be able to run this and we should not see no going back. I didn't restart this, right? I gotta start this. What? Why did that do no going back? Is on. Shouldn't those all be false? Reward is enabled. What does this come out as? You guys are sending to the wrong one right now anyways. Chat, you're just asking for it to not work, by the way. Like, you're just asking for it to not work. Yeah, I did that last time, but then the problem is I was adding some new services, and then it didn't reload when I did it. What? Why is it not? Oh, right. I gotta quit out of this. Setting reward to true, setting to false to false to false. Oh, shoot. Right. This one should be reward dot is enabled. We have a connection. I'm just dumb. I just did the case backwards. This should always just turn them off. Yeah, okay. That's why. That's why. Okay, we that's why it was connected even when it wasn't there. Yeah, you should be a little careful with the coins, boys. And beautiful. So now we only have random color scheme, which should work. This is, oh, why not do positive reinforcement instead? The positive reinforcement is that you guys will, like, you're not going to be able to do this as easily with channel points, chat, right? Like, these are not what's going to happen. Like, it's going to be a lot of channel points. Okay? Like, I'm not just going to let you hot dog me like this, you know? Honestly, I think my favorite one so far is probably Mountain Dew. Ooh, Tokyo Night Moon. That one looks pretty good. Chat. I mean, come on. Come on, chat. This one's pretty good, right? Nerf Pink Panic. I'm thinking about removing Pink Panic. You can't read anything. It's not even funny. It's just annoying. Someone needs to fix that font. I'm taking it out. Okay, sister. We have to still be able to read it. Namd, hey, thanks for Twitch Prime. Where's the fun in that? Whoever is in charge of that repo needs to fix it, and then I'll pull it down. Is there? There is, yeah. We can change the font as well. How to send? Well, here, maybe ChatGPT knows. Shut up and show me the code. Don't give me an exe. Give me the code. How do I send an event to the current WesTerm terminal session? It's not readable. Starts claiming flashlight. That's different. That's different. We can still read something. WesTerm client send text. What about not from bash, but through standard out or standard in? Because how did I see this in Zen mode? It only works if you have Tmux on? On Zen mode. Does the song say Vim? Probably. It says Vim, Vam, Vidum, Vim, Vam, the Vim, Vam. What's up, Lucas? Watching from Brazil. Writing a language from Brazil. 2 of them, actually. Brazil mentioned? What happens if I do call nvim inputs, control shift, call shift F. Nope, control shift F. So that doesn't work because that only sends it to NeoVim. That only sends it to NeoVim, so that doesn't work. So what did Wes do? Vim.loop.new.tty. Can we not send it to the original NeoVim? What would Wes do? I have, when I press Control Shift F, it changes the font. Or it should. Why is it not doing it? Oh, there we go. I don't know why. Maybe I was in insert mode or something. So every time we do that, we get a random font. Some of them are less than good. Control Shift F. Portuguese, very nice. I was testing automated font install at work. Need some test print A1 size Vim sheet. Nice. Smart. That's a good print, Steppen. I still don't understand how I can do this though. PID, your text here, right? OpenPath as this. This doesn't help me at all. Wingdings. Yes, people have already suggested that, and I've already said the obvious reasons why we won't do that. Now I don't need stronger glasses. Nice. Ding dongs. Yeah, that's an interesting question. How can I just want to programmatic, like, list list clients, proxy, move pane to pad, split pane, spawn, send text, get text, kill pane, activate pane, zoom pane, help. Is there no way to send an event? It's just send text. Send text is a pane. If bracketed paste mode is enabled, then the text will be sent as bracketed paste. So can I send Control Shift? How would I send Control Shift F and have it execute like keystrokes so that I can send it? You can change Wisdom config. It should reload automatically. Yeah, but we're not gonna. I don't want to change my config to load a random font. That's not a good idea. What are my other options? Start, serial, connect, cli, imgcats, record, replay, shell completion. I don't know. I don't really get. Could you also change a user var? Yeah, we could change it on a user var to increment a number or something, and then we could do that. Set user var Zen mode, echo dash n on. If name is Zen mode, value on. Yeah, so we could do something very similar to this. Do you have to print like this whole thing? Sending a user var and then result in some frustration if you don't have a way to reset it. You may wish to add a key binding that clears the override. Bump, bump, bump. Tried using G key for taking notes. I've never heard of it before. Westerm's great. Yeah, Westerm is very cool. Events. Bell. Format tab title. Open URI. Update status. You can use something like this. So I just do this, and then I say the thing that I want to do. Oh, and we always base 64 encode whatever we're putting inside of here, I guess, huh? Got it. Okay, so the value is always... That's why they're base 64 encoding it. Yeah, there is. I already have it, Pascal. I already have the exact thing from Folke because it's inside of Westerm. Or inside of Zen mode. But I didn't really get what was going on, right? So I was trying to figure out what was happening, right? So we could do this though. This is not so hard because we can just copy the same idea that we see here, basically. Is there no base 64? Oh, we have a Vim base 64. Nice. That makes that a lot easier. Folke is great, yeah. He's a really nice guy too. Really nice guy. Okay, I got an idea. Do-do-do-do. Oops. Yeah, so let's go here. Tasks. Let's go random font Lua. Okay, and then let's go to pencil here and let's yoink this. Whoops, let's yoink this entire thing. Font. Oh, right. I haven't saved that file yet. Pencil, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, diag. Oh, I didn't mean to yoink this whole file, but that's okay. Twilight, we don't need. Tmux, we don't need. Diagnostics, we don't need. Okay, so this is all the ones that we didn't need anymore. So I didn't get why we need. What is this team? Oh, this is to escape Tmux. I see. I was wondering why is there this Tmux shenanigans? Right, but I don't need to do that. I can do something else, right? I can just go. I'm guessing this is 1033 octal 33. Yeah, okay, so those are the same. Yeah. All right, that's fine. X1B 1337 Leet. Oh my goodness, what a baller. Did Wes really pick Leet as the escape code for this, or is this like a standard thing? Slash %s is 0077. But then why would we do echo 1 echo slash b echo slash 007? This is octal 7. Isn't this just 07? Isn't this what we want? So then instead of Zen mode, I can say font changer, something like this, right? And then we can say vim.base64.decode random or something like this. Oh, and then what was the Wes term plugins? Whoops. Or Zen mode plugins. We need to create a standard out by doing this. Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah, let's get rid of these. Not standard ASCII, so it could be a thing Wes picked. That's hilarious. He just picked Elite. Oh, that's pretty funny. That is pretty funny, chat. I actually would rather write this well string formats is my preference. We'll write to set user var function like this, I guess. Okay. Oh, oops, this should be in code as well. Yes. Oh, nice, Pascal. We're on the same page. We're on the same page. Just wrote the wrong one. All right. So then what we have now is let's just make this be. So then this should be text. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna say write. What did I just call this? Set user var. Set user var. Random. Random font. Then we're going to do user var defaults. Okay. And then we go to my Wes term config. Config Wes term here. And we go on user var changed. Okay. on user var changed. So then this one is set original font. Local set original font. Okay. If name, what did I call this again? Font changer, then end. Okay. Value equals random, then random font. What did I call it? Set random font window, else set original font window. Okay. Change this here to be set random font. Okay. Whoopsies. I know. I'm sorry, Wes. I'm sorry, Wes. Local set random font is this. I was getting there. I promise. Trigger original font. Okay. Nice. So that should hopefully work. I have no idea though. Let's try. Let's go ahead and do set user var random. I don't know. What did I say? Original or did I say default? I guess it doesn't really matter. It's just so easy. When's the NeoVim config rewrite? We're gonna probably try later. Not today. But we're gonna try probably hopefully next week. We're building a bunch of stuff to make the rewrite basically impossible. Hi R9. And so that should be enjoyable for everyone. They should still be able to do this. Set random fonts. That's good. This is a really good one. That's a really good one. We should probably just remove that one, honestly. It's not going to be funny. This is great. Thanks for supporting OSS. I mean, okay, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm just out here writing code mostly. Not funny, he says. Okay, so but for the font one, it's gonna be like set it for 5 minutes. So then what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do for 5 minutes, Beaver? What am I supposed to do then? Riddle me that, okay? Take the L, sit down, take a nap, tell us jokes. Okay, fine. Fine, we'll do it. Fine, I'll leave it. You guys can't read that font? Skill issue. Skill issue. I'll have to think about it. I'll have to think about what we're gonna do, chat. It's really funny when that font comes up. It's funny when it comes up. It's funny because that's a prime use on the line. That's for sure. But then the problem is like it's good. It still needs to be there. So I have to think about what we want to do for it. The other option that we have is because we have like a million of these. We have a bunch of fonts. We can make some fonts appear more often. No, but just make short timer. You guys don't get it because it's not going to be like constantly we're going to do every single kind of thing, right? So we can't just like, you guys, it's going to cost you something when we're actually doing it. Otherwise, I'll never finish my config in a month, in a year. No, it's not. No. It's not. We could install it though. I don't care. Yeah, I don't remember which one it is. So the problem is when it comes up, I can't read it. Right? Like This one's fine. Like some of these they're painful, but they're not so bad. Comic font awesome. Nice. We have a Comic Sean's one. We actually have a few different comic ones. I don't have one right now for you to pick it. Can you redeem the font change? Not yet, Lithium. I thought we tried, but then all of these didn't work. So I don't know what went wrong. I don't know when the rewrite will officially be. FC list grep. Yeah, see, they didn't install, even though I have them in my fonts folder, so I don't know why. I'm not sure exactly when it's going to be. Probably next week sometime. So anyways, we can install some other ones later. I'm not going to do that part right now. It's actually really easy for us now, though, to add a new type. We do create rewards. We go here. We say, okay, instead of no going back, we have random font. Pick a random font. Sets a random font in my terminal. Does this? It is for all of them. Okay, that's good. It's for the whole window. I can't get over this. I can't get over the fact that Modelcraft is kind of great. It's pretty good, actually. Yeah. The worse the font, the higher price. But it's not like it's random, chat. So this would turn this on. Mix, create rewards. So that should create random font. Mix Phoenix server. This one's on. So we go to our channel, if you will. We can go here and we can say random font, random font. We go to random font, create. It should say random font. We need to fix this part too. All right, so we quit out of this. We open up a channel. So none of the rewards. Pick a random font. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. I should have set this for way lower though right now. 2 minutes is way too long. Like this needs to be like 30 seconds most. Probably 15 really. Should post a chat message with the font name. That's actually smart because then we could read it. Then we could actually read it. You're right. Sorry, I have to restart this so that we can get a new font. I'll do a random color scheme for you first. And then we'll get random font at a shorter time scale. Okay, that one wasn't really any better, chat. This one's not a lot better. Although I do kind of like how these W's look here. I do kind of like those, you know. Now this is beautiful. That's beauty, chat. Oh, what the heck? Why can I read again? Disgusting. Gross. Gross, chats. Oh, now we're talking. Now we're talking. This font is the one, chat. Why isn't it doing the notification thingy? This is the Monocraft one. You make all spaces full block. Man. Well, that's actually working pretty good, chat. Oh, pick a random font. Carlito. Maybe we should change it so that this timeout is a little bit longer. Notification. Yeah, we need to make it a little bit longer, I think. Is it wrong that I like some of these? No, it's not wrong. We picked some fonts that are good. Whoops. Ah! It's your fault. It's literally your fault. Okay? It's literally your fault. Joke's on you. I removed Pink Panic, chat. It's out of the rotation. Okay? It's out of the rotation. Yeah. Until whoever owns Pink Panic... No. Pick a color scheme. Has to be valid color scheme name. It's not in the list. It doesn't work. It's that simple. I say Berkeley Mono when you ask which font. I know I was thinking about making Bang font. Switch the font. Cause I just something random. The file will be deleted if it errors. We have we have one where if I go back at all, it will get deleted. That's no going back. It's just not on right now. Chronics, hey, thanks for the prime. Appreciate it. Be so aesthetic. It doesn't work. You can't read anything. You can't read anything. Okay. When did I start streaming today? Because I lost stream in the middle of the day. I think I started streaming at like 9, right? So I've been streaming for almost 6 hours. We're gonna make a... No, I'm not gonna do that. You guys can do that. I don't care. You guys can fix it. If you fix it, I'll think about adding it in. Pink Panic is beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful, chat. We got actually really far today. I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased. Oh, we haven't really been doing anything with Tej coins. Select star from Tej coins. Okay, nice. Oh, we've got a mod here. Got some mods. Got some users. So really how many people... Wow, we have a lot of chatters. Elixir truly is the GOAT. What's the plug? It's called DadBod. And DadBod UI. Yeah. I think there's a new one. But I haven't checked it out. Dang it, we're gonna end up checking. Well, I'm gonna like get to DadBod in my rewrite, and I'm gonna be like, let's go check out the new DadBod, and we're gonna go look at it. I'm gonna spend like 2 hours writing config for it, and then someone's gonna do no going back mode. Ha ha ha. Then I'm gonna lose the file, isn't it? Isn't it, chat? Isn't it? DadBod UI NeoVim GitHub. There was some alternative one. I don't think it was Sequelua. Yeah, it's Skyport. Depending on where you live, $75 is also a lot different. This doesn't support SQLite. Different spending, so I understand. Big panicking and not going back into debt, exactly. Just know that you add Elixir to the stream text. Shoot, I thought it was, I don't think it's this one though. Was it just called like DBUI or something like that? Maybe it was just, it's not this one, right? Someone had sent me one. No, Vimdadbot is the original one. Oh, DBUI? No, this is the old one. Someone had sent it to me too. I don't know. Maybe it's just like database NVim, GitHub. NVim DB. Here we go. I was so close. DB, right. Well, I don't really know the status of this. I don't know if it's any good or not. Because this one was more focused on like using some of the newer NeoVim like features, right? So like I would try this one. But I also don't know. I don't know if it's any good. Right? Oh, that's cool. The backend's in Go, so it must be good. Time to rewrite it in OCaml. I'll start that for later. Anyways, I can already see what's gonna happen, right? Where I'm cruising along. We're almost done adding a plugin, and someone is gonna put me in delete mode. I already know. Okay, let's see if we can get let's see if we can figure out getting subs gifted. Is delete mode ready? It is, but we're not gonna do it for now. Chat, like if I turn it on now, we're never even going to get to rewriting the config. Right? Like if we turn on delete mode right now, I'll never even get to the point where we can do the config. I do want to do what I promised I would do. All right, that's the last time permabanned. See you later. Don't say. I'm on Pop OS, chat. I'm just kidding. Jans, you can come back to chat. I'm just memeing with you. But I'm on Pop. But if one more person says I'm on Arch Linux, I'm going to look like a Reddit mod with how fast I'm going to ban all of you. Oh, man. Okay. Seems good. See? Seems good. Seems good. Community gifts. Subs. Conditions. Events. Events. Channel. Subscription. Gift. Events. Well, this isn't what I want. Didn't know you got written up by the Regex License Foundation. Last I checked. Dang. Guy still hasn't put me back on the list. Incoming power trip Reddit style. Exactly. Hey, thanks, Nordic Mule. You're married, so you can't be on Arch. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. How do they not know? I'm on Pop OS, chat. I can prove it. See, look, it says so right here. Even has this at Pop OS, okay? What more do you need from me, chat? Okay? Don't make me type real path neofetch. Don't make me type it. I'm just kidding. Wait, it's... I have it here? It's on my home. Oh, no, which neofetch? There we go. That makes more sense. Which NeoFetch? There we go. Okay, that makes more sense. How are you using XRC for Twitch RC? No, I'm using all Ryan stuff. How's gaming on Papos? It works great. We know this is your own NeoFetch implementation. Okay, well, it's true. I lied about everything. Look at how lame this uptime is. I restarted my computer yesterday, I guess. That was because Brave just died. That was kind of crazy. I never had that happen before. It was pretty funny. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to have a new... Where's my event subs? WebSocket messages, right? I want to find... What are my notifications? Read more. I can never... Reference. Subscription types? Is that what I need to go? Right, so... Community, gift, channel, subscription, gift. A notification when a viewer gives a gift subscription to one or more users in a specified channel. How's Porcelain System 76 build for dev? It's amazing. It's my favorite computer I've ever had. Run 10,000 lines of bash to show the OS. Only Linux things. Exactly. Cat Etsy OS release. Am I gonna dox myself if I run that? Oh, nice. Okay. There's nothing on here, right? Yeah, okay, no, that one's fine. How's the battery life? It's a desktop. Terrible. As soon as I unplug it, it's dead. It's the worst battery life out of any computer I've ever had. I swear, System 76 has the worst battery life out of all my computers. Every time I unplug my desktop, it turns off right away. I don't know. Should I send? Barry Lewis's lines from there. I'm just kidding. This is the best computer I've ever owned. I love my... Is it Thelio or Thelia? I always forget which one it is. Thelio Mira. That's why I always get confused. Don't wimp out. The problem is I actually like them as a brand. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want anyone to think that I don't like them. I'm not going to tag them. I did do a sponsored stream. That's like the only sponsored stream I've ever done from them a long time ago. And I got a laptop from them that I like, but it's not what I use to like do daily stuff. They're by far they're just the best overall place I've ever bought a computer from. I like it a lot. Why Pop OS? Well, System 76 maintains Pop OS, right? So like they make sure the computers work flawlessly on them, so it's good. Thought you used a laptop. Yeah. System 76 uses Elixir, by the way. Nice. Did I reply with this? My cam. Oh yeah, I just said oh camel, my camel. Yeah, that's right. Workbot System 76. No, nice, Caleb. Yeah, they have a window manager that I think is like pretty good, as far as non true tiling window managers go. I tried it again recently, and it's like better. That's what I use on my laptop. How's the battery life? How's the battery life? It's a desktop. How's the battery life? It's a desktop. How's the battery life? It's a desktop. Oh, man. Oh, shoot. For context. All right. That really gets me. Not really. Well, they have like a tiling mode, right? Like their cosmic one has a tiling mode. And it's like pretty good as far as like not a real like tiling window manager, right? You know what I'm saying? Nice. Lots of Elixir actually. They make good PCs. I like them a lot. Yeah. This is my favorite PC I've ever had. Like not even close, chat. Not even close. But you should pick out what stuff you want to buy for yourself. You shouldn't listen to random people on the internet about it. Channel request body. Yeah, that's another thing that's really cool too, is they do lots of open source stuff, both for their desktop and hardware and anything. Yeah. But I don't like to think before I spend money. Edbar, interesting. Did you know? I don't know if you've seen this before. But if you're on like if you're on like this page right here, you can click down right here. You just click this gift sub button. You don't even have to think about it. Twitch makes it super easy. You just click there. I don't know if that's gonna dox anything. I should not have clicked that. That was really close to being stupid. But in case you were, Tuxedo's also nice. Yeah. Yeah, there's lots of other ones who do lots of cool stuff besides System 76 too. I'm just saying, like, that's the one I love. That seemed like a close one, honestly. Channel subscription channel.subscription.gift. You're okay redoxing, but I'm not gonna try it just in case. Yeah. I get my first job in tech, I'm dropping at least 10. No, Edbar, after you get your first job, you should save some money for a while. Then you can drop 10, okay? Are you gonna hit your next sub goal before? The problem is I've just been helping too many people with Read the Doxiosis, chat. Too many people with Read the Doxiosis. Each year, thousands of people around the world suffer from can't read the Doxiosis. A story as tragic as the one of Darth Plagueis the Wise, although you probably haven't heard of it. This year, I hope that we're able to solve this problem for a low price of $5 a month. How do you have hours to watch me? It's a good question. It's a good question, chat. It's a question that they really wouldn't tell you about. Well, Shire, it won't work like that. The subs is not how many current subs I have. It's how many subs I've gotten since the sub goal started. So, like, I don't have that many concurrent subs, right? So even if you unsubbed, it wouldn't do anything for the goal. How much more desktop is powerful? Yeah, agreed. Chad, I got some more coming too. I got some other funny ones I think coming, which would be good. Notification payload. Okay, subscription and events. Total 2. Cumulative total. Null if anonymous or not shared by the user. I love how everyone makes fun of whoever did the first $5 meme by literally doing the exact same thing. No, it's not the exact same thing when you do it tongue in cheek versus actually like complaining. Wow, regular to watch Criminal Minds. Don't think I've ever seen it. I'm a Vim dev, by the way. That's fine. Unsubbing anyways. Fair enough. So I should just be getting channel subscription event as the name here, and then I should just be getting the event here, right, Shirai? I should be getting at infiltrue def handle event, and I should be getting channel subscription update here like this, and then I can go event do end. Okay. And then this is what the event looks like. I was doing tongue in cheek too. Oh yeah, okay. I didn't know. That's good then. It didn't seem tongue in cheek from what I had seen of the clips, but yeah. This is Elixir. But I have no idea who the person is, so I don't know. So total and tier, cumulative is anonymous, right? Oui? No, Elixir. 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 So we need to have a user ID here. User, Twitch user. Now let's just do it like this. Twitch user. So I should do something like def get by Twitch ID, do mixery repo get by this Twitch ID here. Who, what, where? I don't even think I want to let that one go. Right, so we can say like Twitch, def get, or I think we can honestly just create this, right? Get by this. I don't even care. I know that this is Shy Rai is gonna tell me that I shouldn't do this because it says get and not create, but LOL, I don't care. How do you do impl false? I don't know. The problem is if I do this, I also need to pass a user login. Because what else do I do for... What do I even have in Twitch user? I have Twitch ID and Twitch login. It's the most important comment ever. Oh, but then I have to pass the login, which is kind of annoying. So the problem is, like, we might not have the user. If someone gifts a sub and hasn't ever chatted before or hasn't chatted when we have this on, then that's kind of annoying. Fine. Get or create by Twitch ID. Ask Twitch to send you their database. True. Is this how I do this? I want to do it more like this, I think, right? Like login. Isn't this nicer? And I want to say Twitch login. Whoops. Oh yeah, I meant like this. Can we nuke configs yet? Not yet. Do you have an uninterruptible power supply? No, I don't. This should return this returns like a user. This returns a user, right? They should return the same things. Doesn't have get or create already? I don't know. Oops. Uninterruptible. I mean, I've never had a problem with losing power. Module. Change set adders. Repo.insert. Isn't it find or create by? I don't know. Chat keeps asking me. Mostly gonna buy after losing data. Yeah, that's fair. I save regularly. I gotta go see Java and VS. Adbar, good luck, buddy. Good luck. Like this, chat? I'm learning. I'm still learning, okay? Oh, I guess you're saying I can just do... Oh, right, because that would have done okay and then that as a tuple. This says, you better succeed! Insert it now! Or else. Or else. I do love... every language that doesn't have exclamation point, I do kind of miss it sometimes. There's been a few languages that let you do it, and it's like, oh, it's nice. It's real nice. But otherwise, it's good. It doesn't do anything by itself. It's just the convention of putting exclamation right here means that it's going to error if it doesn't work. It's basically like saying, instead of returning kind of like a result, it's just going to error. So where was I before? All right, I was in events. So I can do like user is Twitch Mixery. Then I can do Twitch. I can do like this, right? It's like unwrap, yeah. Do insert with on conflict. Ah, this right here, basically, right? It wants to update. You just want to fetch. No worries. Right, this is good. Did you take a look at lead? Not yet. I'll take a look later. We got upgraded to presidential suite. Crimson. What happened? How'd you do that one? Huh? Huh? Twitch user get or create by free upgrades always good. Yeah, nice. Oh, they look so good, those ligatures. Oh, Crimson, while you were gone, we even got, well, I don't know if this will still work. Let's see what happens. Do you still have it turned on? I need to restart this, I think. And we should... Why did it not get connected? What's going wrong? Did I start this too early? Why doesn't this connect? Oh, because I never typed socket. Connect. It's probably important. Okay, there we go. Okay, nice. So now we do pick a random font, redeem. It's a good font right here, chat. Font awesome. That's a good one. It's really easy to read. I'm going to be very productive. I thought you were an OCaml dev. I'm not limited by a language. I write whatever I want whenever I want. Of course, sometimes we write OCaml and I love it. But sometimes we write Elixir. Sometimes we write Lua. We write many different things. We got lots of random fonts. Do you write JavaScript? Only via compilation. Here we go. Now we're fancy, chat. Oh no. Chat, stop. Stop, because I'm going to stop after these after a little bit. I'm definitely not a master in all of the language. You need to show... this one is... It printed it up here, but I don't remember what it said. I don't know how to get the font name back to here. Oh, it's Victor Mono Italic. We picked it again, I guess. I don't have Rose Pine installed. We could add that one, though. That's a good one. I'm adding it right now. I'm adding it. That's what I said. We'll add it. It's a good one. And then when we disconnect that NeoVim, oh, all the buttons go away. You guys can't do the rewards. It's so cool. They all turn on and turn off every time we connect and disconnect. What in the name or tarnation is that font? It's just not a... Oh, on config. Thank you. On conflict. Thanks, Shirai, for seeing that. YouTube chat's got my back. Don't scream. Oh, I'll scream randomly. Nicely done. No, it turns off. It turns off when there's no connected NeoVims. Check this out. We connect this one. We'll let it install. I'll just restart this just to make sure. We connect this one. We connect this one. Right? So now we can do pick a color scheme, rose pine. Now this one switches to rose pine and this one switches. But check this out. Because it's not focused, chat, because it's not focused, it's not counting down anymore. When I put my mouse back in here, it's going to be done. Right? It's got another rose pine coming, I guess. I don't remember how I did that, but that's fine. And then this one's got a rose pine. Oh, chat, we got a problem. I think this is double connecting. I think this is double connecting right now. Chris Kempson, Base 16, Envim. We'll see. It's not saying symbol font installed. I don't have Norbuddy installed, but I should. You're right. I do have it installed. I did install it for Jesse. Oh, nice. Yeah, so we definitely have a problem here. Why is this at 30 seconds? That's not good. Why is this at 45 seconds? We've scuffed something. We've scuffed something here in our countdown time. I'm not sure exactly why. Something is wrong. I don't know what, but something is wrong. Color schemes. I think this is what we want. What's gonna happen next? Like, how did Chirai get another war buddy here? We definitely broke it, chat. We definitely broke it. And like, where's my Tokyo Knight? Where did that go? Now that's crazy. I'll be able to trade. Don't worry. I'll put it. I'm gonna do it back for you. Pick a color scheme. Tokyo Knight. But it's not even right. Oh, it is. There's no dash. Okay. There you go. Okay. I don't think we have paper color. Color scheme paper. We don't have anything with paper, Lithium. We don't have anything. Which, with this font? Thanks. I think I'm a pretty big fan too. Where is it? Lithium, get me a link. I'll put it in. It's one of my favorite fonts as well. Paper color Vim color scheme GitHub. $2.6K stars. Okay. Show us your fonts. I just did. What's the? It searches in Google instead. How are we getting such big times for this? What's going wrong? How are we calculating such large times? Whoops. That doesn't make any sense. Using Brave to search. Well, sometimes I don't really trust. Brave doesn't usually find me the GitHub repos I want. If it's focused, focus elapsed, focus pair dot gain minus focus pair dot loss. But when we do done, this should always clean this up. I love this game. I love this game. Now I'm writing Western config. Nice. I supposed to write 6502 JS. Nice. Pick was lurking in the string just for this moment. Hi, my name is Math. Classic pick though. Really, truly classic. We need a pick mode. What would be funny to make as pick mode? It puts Haskell language server attached to your buffer and Haskell highlighting no matter what kind of file it is. It's just like you're just pretending it's Haskell. Just no matter what. That could work. I think that could work. Everything's a monad. We have to write your Lua config in Haskell. That ain't happening. All right, chat. I think I got to sign off for the day. Not funny. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.